creamy red pesto pasta, and we are making the pesto homemade. Trust me, it's a lot easier than you think. Now let's put this red pesto together. I have 2 red peppers. First, remove the seeds and then add olive oil, salt and black pepper. Roast them in the oven or in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or about 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or until they start blistering and they get golden brown in color. A quick tip here, once off the heat, remove the skin, which is bitter and tough. To make it easier, place the peppers into a bowl covered with cling film for about 10 minutes and then let the steam help loosen the skin. I have here sun-dried tomatoes and we're gonna use about 10 halves, 1 clove of crushed garlic, can go straight in, lemon juice, about a tablespoon, about 10 leaves of fresh basil. I use about a tablespoon of pine nuts, but I highly recommend toasting them first. This brings out their nutty flavor and vibrant texture to life. Extra virgin olive oil, about 50 to 100 milliliters, it all depends how liquid you want it. Salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. I'm adding Parmesan cheese, and I'm not even grating it. I just chop it up. Now we can go with a bit more extra virgin olive oil, so we adjust the consistency. Now to get this creamy red pesto pasta sorted, we need a few more steps. And we're gonna start with onion, using half white onion. And I want to bring this onion into the mix because when you cook it, it becomes sweeter, balancing the rest of the ingredients. Now set a pan on medium heat. I'm adding a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. The onion can go in. And while we're making our pasta sauce, you can have your spaghetti into the boiling water with plenty of salt in it, cooking it al dente, which means to bite. So you have some texture in there, so you don't overcook them because the rest of the cooking will happen into the pan. Now we are to cook the onion until it starts getting a bit of color. It shouldn't take longer than about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm happy with what I see here. So we're adding 3 tablespoons of red pesto. This should be plenty for 2 portions. And now reduce the heat to low. And I'm adding 250 milliliters of dairy cream. I know I'm going a bit over the top, but the dairy cream here in Jersey, it's absolutely amazing. You can always reduce the amount and adjust it to your liking. Now once we got this to a simmering temperature, it's time to add in our spaghetti. But just make sure that you keep some of this pasta water because we might need it to adjust the sauce. Now we are to cook this for a further 2-3 minutes, so we allow the pasta to absorb some of that red pesto sauce. Now if you wish, you can add some more Parmesan cheese on top and serve it immediately. And if you enjoyed this simple recipe, I've got another one for you right here. And if you want to be up to date with cooking tips and more simple recipes, make sure you subscribe to my newsletter, which is in the description of this video.